Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys looking for the best Wi-Fi range extender that gives you the best Wi-Fi coverage range? Then this videos is highly made for you. In this video we will do the Tenda A23 Wi-Fi range extender setup in very simple and easy way. The Tenda A23 is a Wi-Fi range extender that helps boost your existing wireless signal, making it stronger in areas with weak coverage. It's easy to set up and supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks for better speed and stability. So watch this video till the end. First of all, we will discuss what's inside the Tenda A23 extender box. Inside the Tenda A23 extender box, you'll find the AX1500 Wi-Fi 6 range extender and a quick installation guide. These items provide everything needed to set up and extend your Wi-Fi coverage efficiently. Now plug the Tenda A23 into a power outlet halfway between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi coverage. Wait for the LED indicator to become stable, usually blinking at first, then stable once it's ready. Now plug the Tenda A23 into a power outlet halfway between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi coverage. Wait for the LED indicator to become stable, usually blinking at first, then stable once it's ready. Open a browser and go to http://are.tenda.cn, or use the IP address 192.168.0.254. You'll see the Tenda Extender Setup interface. The setup page will scan for available networks. Select your main Wi-Fi network, 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz, or both if dual band. Enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted. Set the extended network name, SSID. You can use the same name as your main Wi-Fi or change it. Confirm and wait for the extender to reboot, usually 102 minutes. Once rebooted, the LED will turn solid green or blue, depending on model, indicating a good connection. Now your Tenda A23 Wi-Fi extender setup is successfully done. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.